To convert image to PNG in Canva, let's come over to our create plus sign button, and we want to come to the photo editor, and from here you want to upload the image you're working on, but I'm just going to select the image I already have in my design and I want to open it in the editor, so I'm going to click on create design. The image has beautifully opened up in the editor. If you want to edit further, you can work on the image. Like if I come to adjust here, I can also adjust the image, just lighten it up. After you're done with your edit and you want to now turn the image into a PNG, you come over to the share button here and click on download. The default suggested file type Canva is going to give you when you bring in any type of image into Canva and want to take it out is PNG, and you download your image.